Hi guys, you can probably figure out what I've done here. I've transferred my mousetrap style spring and lever off of this car onto one of my very old 3D printed rubber band powered cars. The reason for doing that is it's got a much longer body, so it should be easier to keep it going straight. The problem I had with this one was all the weight of that spring unit was over the front wheels, so when it got to the end of its run, all the weight was over the front and the back would slide around a little bit when that finally hit the stopper. So it kept going offline at the end of the run, or just at the end of the power run, and then it wouldn't freewheel in a straight line. It would suddenly jerk off at a bit of an angle. So one of my old rubber band powered cars, 3D printed, one of my first rubber band powered cars that were 3D printed. CDs for wheels, barbecue stakes or bamboo canes for axles, and I've just transferred that straight across from there onto there, and we'll give it a run. Right, try and set it off in a straight line. A nice gentle slow start. Are we going to hit that box? I always hit that box. Whoa, just got it out of the way in time. And you'll see we haven't even used half the energy or half the spring, because we've got bigger wheels. They travel much further for each revolution. So this one did the 8 meters easily. Easy. I like that a lot. I will put links in the video description to all the cars involved in this video. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.